little camera I could have bought for you.
Alright, oh, maybe, yeah, back in at Jason Sports Cards in Baton Rouge, about to bust a box of 2010 Absolute Memorabilia Football. How about it? Sorry, it's a little blurry, folks. I'm changing the focus and such around all the time.
Do you know which one is the bottom box? Yeah. The bottom one in the row? That's the one. I want to see. Mine, the three I opened, the bottom box.
Simultaneous box busting here on. Alright, first one. Oh, Vernon Davis, two-color patch.
See what is number 2.
Nice. Numbered 19 of 50. It's a good-looking card. Good autograph. Yeah. Oh, Riley Cooper. Nice.
$2.99.
It's actually not bad. If you're going to get a thin autograph, Riley Cooper's one of the ones to get.
The font was 8 of 50.
Oh, nice. Nice insert. I've got a backlog of like 12 videos I need to post. Just one a day for the next month. Ooh. Oh, Frank Gore. Nice 3-color patch. With like 4 breaks on it.
22 out of 45.
Number to 45. That's a nice patch.
You've got the RPM.
I noticed so far this year, these have had a lot more patches than the past years. Oh!
Jonathan Dwyer.
That's nice. Jonathan Dwyer, jumbo patch, RPM football auto. Nice card. What's that one, number 2?
9 of 10.
Number to 10. Sweet hit. Alright, folks, thanks for watching. Good luck.